What's up, Bougie gang? It's your girl Kim, the Bougie Auntie. I'm out here at Dillard's, meeting my people from ATL. They're here, so yeah, let's see what we get into. He talking about my shit fake. Their vlogging is fake. Live. So cute. Thank you, sir. All right, y'all. We done got back in the car. And my homeboy, my frat brother, he's actually my frat brother. Been knowing him for fucking years. He gotta go back to his hotel, do work. He only here for a business trip, so I'm about to give me something to eat in a minute. And then I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Hey y'all, what's up? I done made it back home. And I ordered me some food from Boiling Dragon. I'm about to eat it. And I got some bulgogi fries. They smell amazing. They look amazing. Beautiful. You ever had a beautiful plate? A beautiful plate. And then I got just three shrimp. I didn't really want the shrimp, but to make the delivery be free, I went ahead and added that. But your girl hungry. For the past couple of days, I've been having feel like a little stomach virus, and I'm not the only one in my job that felt like that. So I've been kind of taking it easy on eating, and I woke up today feeling 100%. So your girl been hungry, and I've been eating. So let me show you what my food looks like. It looks so freaking good. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. But let me show y'all what it looks like. These are the fries. Bulgogi. I hope I'm saying it. Oh, look at this thing. Bulgogi fries. And I just got 3 shrimp. So I'm about to do a taste test. Let me say my prayers real quick. Let's do a little taste test, little taste test, little taste test. Okay. Let me get a piece of meat. I don't know what this sauce is, but it's good. It's some kind of, I love Korean flavors, y'all. I love Korean flavors. And that food make you do the bounce. It's slapping. And the fries are fried hard. I can't stand those soggy ass fries. It's good. When I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna holler at y'all tonight. Probably if I don't have time tonight, I'm gonna holler at y'all tomorrow. Cause the girl out for 6 days. I started yesterday, so I have 2 days, or 4 days to go. Something like that. I don't know, but I'm gonna holler at y'all a little later. What's up, y'all? Y'all, today is it's the 18th of August. Yeah, I hear that thunder. It's been raining like crazy. I keep losing power. I'm trying to watch some YouTube. Keep losing my power. Keep losing who I'm watching, where all this stuff. So I ordered some groceries. I got to go pick up. I'm not leaving my house right now with this rain like this. See my light right now is back on. I'm about to turn my porch light on. I like rain, y'all. I like to I still think it's a lizard up here, so I've been using my broom to turn the light on. But I like rain, but I don't like all that thunder and lightning. So me and my pup been chilling in the house. I was gonna cook today. I'm not doing that. If y'all saw yesterday, I ate the bulgogi fries. I finished those a minute ago, so I will not be eating. I will not be eating. I will not be cooking anything. I'm just basically chilling right now, waiting for the rain to slack so I can go and pick up my groceries. It is ugly, y'all. It's ugly. It's like it started storming. I'm like, why the fuck did I just not have them deliver my groceries? But y'all can see that lightning. But I don't want to open my front door because of the lizards. So I went outside about 2 hours ago before the rain started and threw down some mothballs. It's ugly outside. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see that? It is storming. But I intended on cleaning out my closet today. I did do my kitchen and everything, but I haven't done nothing. I ain't gonna lie. I've been a little lazy on my little days off. Just because I've been working so much, my body just been tired. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna pick up my groceries tonight. I don't know if HEB will hold them till tomorrow, but I need to pick them up between 6:30 and 7:30, and it's 6:12 right now. It's 6:12 right now, and I don't know unless I be late picking them up. But I was gonna cook, like I said, I'm not gonna cook that late, so I just wait till tomorrow when my man come over, and I just cook for us tomorrow. I need my nails done. I ain't did that. I just been chilling. Some people have a problem staying home, and I love my house. I love my house. I've been in my house 3 years since I got it built, and I'm still trying to get things together. But my house cozy. I love my house. I could stay in this mug all day. And so I left the house yesterday, but I've been in the house all day today. I just went outside to throw mothballs, and that's it. Oh well. So I was watching I Am Sharika B on YouTube, one of my favorite YouTubers. I was watching her, and the damn lights keep cutting off, but it's on now. So I'm gonna try to finish watching her video and then see what this rain gonna do, so I can head on to the HEB and pick up my stuff. I do want to get my groceries tonight because I do have some snacks that I want to eat. I got cookies I'm gonna bake, all that kind of stuff, but I don't like all this. The rain is cool, but the thunder and lightning, I ain't never been a fan. Never been a fan, but yeah. So I'm gonna holler at y'all in a little bit. If y'all in Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, y'all be safe out there. By the time this go up, the rain gonna be gone. But y'all be safe whenever it do rain. And remember the bougie auntie told you that. Alright? Peace. Holler at y'all later. I'll be back, mama. Alright, y'all. I'm about to try to make it to get the groceries. Cause they done told me that they ready and text me and said they ready. So I'm about to go. Are you back, mama? Leaving on lights and shit. Ooh, the mop ball is funky. But guess what? We're gonna be funky instead of having lizards. So let's ride out to get the groceries. My phone. Yes, I do. Matter of fact, let me plug up my phone because The battery is not dying. It's all right, y'all. I made it back home. I was listening to Kevin Hart Laugh Out Loud Radio, one of my favorite shows on Sirius XM. But anyway, I made it back just in time because it's starting to thunder and lightning again and cut up. So I threw on me a little AKA warm up or workout fit to run to the grocery pickup. Looking crazy still. Chill day, don't care. Let me do a little haul with y'all. I didn't get much. Well, these little bitty bags, $100-something. Every damn thing hot. Every damn thing hot. So first I got my little eggs, my little brown eggs. Make sure they ain't crushed and broken. By the way, this is from HEB. This is the HEB grocery haul. Then I got me some Chips Ahoy cookies from my boo. When he come over, he love cookies, cookie head. One of my favorites, Dr. Bronner's toothpaste. I use this faithfully. Got that. I got me some Emerald's Cajun seasoning. I got some lemon pepper seasoning, which I think I already had, but I just bought it because I didn't know. Some minced garlic, which I think I have this too, but you never have enough. I got some lemons. And most of this stuff is what I was going to cook tonight. But Auntie ain't cooking shit. Because Auntie finna get on this couch and watching YouTube and be lazy for the rest of the night. As I have been all day. And I don't feel bad about it. Because your girl worked hard. I deserve to have some good damn chill days. But I got some pico. When I make eggs in the morning, sometimes I like to put pico in my eggs. It's so good. Y'all, the bacon I normally get is like $11 now. Damn that. So I got this bacon. I think this is Hill Country Fare. Maybe a little thinner than what I'm used to, but this is what we're gonna do because $11 for some, not today. And I got some Doritos. I got some more jasmine rice. I always keep jasmine rice in my pantry. And I got a little thing of Borden milk because I really just use oat milk and almond milk. So I got a little bit of this just to have, just in case. Then I got some more ketchup because I'm almost out. I'm damn near squeezing a bottle. I got some more honey because I love honey. And I cook with honey and I take honey sometime at night before I go to bed because I have asthma. Asthma's much better, but honey is good for respiratory issues, in case y'all didn't know. And then put it in your tea and all that kind of good stuff. Then I got my salmon, $16 goddamn dollars. They used to be this high. Everything this high, y'all. Everything. I got some salmon meatballs, Italian style. Those should be fire. Then I got some Mexican style cheese. And this is not a full grocery haul. It's like a little re-up on some stuff that I needed. I need some baby spinach. Got some more of that. And I love these strawberries. They be so sweet. And I put my strawberries with honey. I put honey on top of my strawberries. Cut up some bananas and some almond butter. Baby, that's a breakfast right there. And it's so good. Then this bag I got some cheese. Then I got 3 kind of cookie dough. I got some butter. Then I got sugar cookie dough. Then I got chocolate chip cookie dough. And then I got pecan turtle delight cookie dough. I might bake some of these tonight because I'm not cooking. And I did eat the leftovers from yesterday. But I'm still a little hungry. So I might either bake some cookies with some ice cream. It'll be so good. And watch some TV, some YouTube, and then do my shower and everything a little bit later, and just chill out. It's about to start cutting up again, so I'm about to put these groceries up, figure out if I'm gonna make these cookies, which I think I am. Eat me some ice cream. I'll show y'all if I end up doing it, how it comes out. And then, yeah, we'll see what tonight brings. Y'all, my cookies are done. I'm using all plastic stuff. Yes, the Bougie auntie uses plastic and paper. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm about to. So the cookies is like really, they still hot, fresh out the oven. So I'm about to eat one. See how, ooh, look at that. And I don't like my cookies super hard. I like them a little soft. Look at that caramel. Ooh. And I got my ice cream. Yeah, this ice cream in this cup, since I was a kid, it's been the best damn vanilla ice cream. You understand me? You understand me? And I'm about to taste this. Still hot. That good, Chloe. With the ice cream. I should have got a real spoon for the ice cream, but that is good. That caramel slapping. Corn slapping. With ice cream slapping. Thumbs up for me. The cookie dough from HEB, if y'all interested in that. It is so good. I'm about to enjoy this. I'm about to enjoy this cookie, these cookies and ice cream, and I'm about to chill, as I have been doing all day. For the rest of the night, watch my YouTube, maybe watch a movie or something, and then I'm gonna go take me a shower and get my ass in the bed and see what tomorrow brings. I'll holla at y'all tomorrow. Peace. Hey y'all, what's up? This might be one of my worst vlogs, y'all. I have been taking breaks, but it's been raining every day here, so I haven't been really doing anything but staying in the house. So yeah, I ain't been doing nothing. But it's Saturday, the 20th of August. August 20th. And I'm getting ready to go to my friend's birthday, things like Dodgeball or whatever. So I'm getting dressed now. Turn this TV off. I'm getting dressed right now, and since it's Dodgeball, I'm wearing like one of my old what do you call it? Athleisure wear sets from 30 and Gold. I was a brand ambassador for them a couple years ago, so I'm wearing that, and I'll show you the whole outfit when I get dressed. But it's been raining like every single day. I'm talking about like thunderstorms, and I just been in the house kind of doing some deep cleaning, getting rid of old shredded paper, things like that. And I need to give away some more clothes. I gotta get rid of some more clothes. But I'm about to throw on these shoes, slap on a wig, because this, I don't feel like fooling with my own hair. I just, ooh, that ain't my thing. No. So I'm about to put on this wig, put on my shoes, and get ready to head out. My sister's coming this way today since I'm closer to the location. And I was going to tell y'all something else. It'll come to me. But yeah, let me just hurry up and get dressed, finish, so I can at least be a little bit on time. And I got this wig on, y'all. Me even plaiting my real hair to put this wig on irritated me so bad. Ooh. But I did get an appointment in with my best friend I was talking about in one of my vlogs, Sweet Style Naturals on Instagram. She opened her books and I did get 2 appointments for September, October. But that's a little ways off. But yeah, me dealing with my own natural hair, that ain't the vibe, not for me. I don't have time. I never really did. I just used to throw it up in a big afro puff, but I got this wig on. This wig, I think I made this wig like 2-3 years ago and it's still holding, baby. I just combed it out. I'm gonna put some conditioner on it, get them curls pop, throw a hat on. I really don't feel like gluing this down, and go. I kind of miss my traditional sew-ins because sometimes these wigs be giving me the blues too. I hate sleeping in them and all that. I just feel like your hair breathes better with a natural, not a natural, but a regular traditional sew-in. So I might be going to see my girl Tasha D soon and let her put me a traditional sew-in in until it's time for me to get this natural hair done. But yeah, let me show y'all my little fit. My sister is almost here, I think. And I just have to, I already got my sunscreen on. I just have to put on my top layer. Today and recently I've been using my La Roche-Posay to put on my face because y'all know my eczema been acting up lately. But let me show y'all my little fit. So it's just this little gray, what do you call it, athleisure set. Like I said, from 30 and Gold with some Adidas shoes. Put my little watch on, my little wig. I'm gonna put this wig in a ponytail since we playing dodgeball because I ain't got time for all this hotness. I put on my Rihanna, my Fenty perfume for today. And that's about it. It's a birthday, girl.
Young Apollo with the win.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence. Adolescent presence. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected with the moves elusive. And I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winnings when I know you're losing. winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I had to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper, cash, fuck a tax. That's a joke, tell him laugh. Uncle Sam, fuck out the bag. Brody plot, but get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record.
We are walking the streets of Houston downtown. That's my sister.
Hey.
The bestie.
Hello.
We all hooked up because we got to play dodgeball. But we G's though, baby. We G's. Gotta buy some food. Downtown. Oh shit. Motherfucking legs feel like noodles.
They still want to act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but I'm losing, and I'm barely moving. But I'm still gon' boost 'em. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing. So I work the winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I had to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper, cash, fuck a tax. That's a joke, tell him laugh. Uncle Sam, fuck out the bag. Brody plot, but get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record.
What's up, y'all? I'm back to the house. It is 11:24. It was so much fun tonight. I had a great time playing dodgeball. Although I'm a little sore. We didn't even stretch before we did this stuff, y'all. We just got out there and started playing. So I already feel my legs feeling like noodles. And yeah, I feel good though. I'm not tired or anything. But I'm gonna end this vlog right here so I can get it uploaded. I'm gonna try to stay up tonight and get at least some of it uploaded and start editing so I can get it out by probably Monday or tomorrow night. Probably Monday. And then I work one day next week and I'm off again for 2. So I'm trying to be consistent. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here. If it's your first time here, like I always say, please consider hitting the subscribe button if you are a returning subscriber, part of the Bougie Boss family. I really appreciate you and thank you for your continued support. So on that note, I'm about to take my shower, start uploading this video so I can get it out to you guys. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.